Hi, welcome to another episode of Hot Takes. SNP policy is very much against second home ownership. They don't like it. And in fact, they don't like it so much, they've brought in an additional dwelling supplement, which basically means you have to pay an extra 8% for having a second home. This is on property tax, national council tax and things like that. But obviously, this is only aimed at normal people, the minions, the hoi polloi, the peasants. If you happen to be an SNP minister or someone senior, then obviously it doesn't apply to you. And even though the party's line is it's a terrible thing, it's okay to have a second home if you're in the SNP. And that's exactly, of course, what Colin Beattie has done. Only he owns 6 other properties, but he doesn't pay the 8%. And the reason is he bought them in England so that he could avoid paying the second income supplement because, that's only for suckers. So there he is, a man in a party that's saying, oh, home ownership's bad. Being a landlord, we've got to attack the landlords. We've got to put landlord controls. We've got to put controls on landlords in Scotland. So he puts all his rental properties out in England where there aren't those controls. Hypocritical much? Absolutely. Toad. Absolute toad. So he's avoided £9,000 of additional dwelling supplement and nearly £500 in land and buildings transaction tax that he would have had to pay if he was in Scotland. Plus, of course, he doesn't have to obey all those things. And during the lockdown, for example, while there was no getting rid of tenants in Scotland, that wasn't the case in England. If someone failed to pay, he'd have just been down there like some Victorian landlord and kicking them out. Widows and orphans in the snow. What an odious shite he really is. He should try sticking to his own party's guidelines. And why does he want so many houses? I mean, I get it. Money, income. But that's fine. Do it. But stand up and say, I am a landlord. I own 6 rental properties. And I'm standing in Scotland as part of the government saying that this is wrong. Yeah, it'll look like a huge prick, wouldn't he? Oh, wait, too late for that. Thanks very much. Bye.